Most penny auction software are for online, meaning penny auction website. The term penny came from the notion that most penny auction websites offer one penny bid increment. Please don't be confused between the cost to bid and the price increment of each bid. Most of the penny auction sites charge their customers to bid. It's pay-to-play system. The average cost per bid is about 60 cents depending on what penny auction website you are on. Each time the bidder bid, the price is going up 1 cent. This is where the term penny auction came from. However, in reality, most penny auction software offer the site owner to flexibility of price setting. There are sites that it costs $100 per bid and the price going up as much as $1,000 per bid. It all depends on that item they are auctioning. If you are auctioning a house that costs $250,000, can you imagine how long that auction will have to last if the price is just going up 1 cent per bid submission? So you got the point. The more expensive items, the higher price of the bid and the price increment. The biggest difference between a penny auction site and a traditional auction site is that one pay to play. I am talking about penny auction here. While others, you just have to pay when you won and claimed the item you have won. There are advantages and disadvantages for each in terms of a bidder and the owner of the site. I hope this answers your question. For more info, please visit www.pennyauctionsoftware.com or send us an email to info@pennyauctionsoftware.com. Good luck! Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that more of this topic can coming your way. Once again, if you need a company that has the experience to do this kind of task, check out cybermerce.com, that is cybermerce.com.